So, I got something in the mail today, or well, actually a few days ago. And I'm pretty excited. I didn't think I would actually ever get this. It's the ORBI Prime from a Kickstarter campaign back in 2016. Back then I thought this was pretty cool, a 360-degree video camera, eyewear. But yeah, it was expected that this would never come because it seemed like the project was dead and everything. But they wrote to me a few weeks ago and said they sent it out, and yeah, well, I got it now. So it looks pretty neat. Packaging looks cool. I like the case. I'll go into detail. Then I haven't unpacked this yet. I thought I'd make a video about it for people who want to see what this actually is. So I think you can see everything fine. Yeah, it's the packaging. It's a hard shell case. So let's start opening this bad boy up. See if I can do it without breaking too much. So, there we go. As you can see, there's the ORBI logo. Should be able to see that just fine. And it's there too. And woo, I'm excited. Let's open this. Oh, it's neat. Okay. So, alright, so we got two sides. I think you should be able to see here. So, let's see what we have here. Let's start with this side. We do have... Okay, what's this? I think those are for the nose. Two sizes. Let's put them there. There's something else in there. Oh, yeah, okay. And another one. So that's it for this side. Those are just okay. Oh, you can fix it like this if you want to. So, what do we have here? Quick start guide. A ORBI cloth. That seems to be a case, or it's just a headband. Just a headband, I guess. Okay. Interesting, ORBI. And there's the cable, just a micro SD cable. Yeah. This thing, probably to fix it like this. We'll see later on. Then we have this thing to connect it here, so you can take the case with you if you want to. What's this? I have no idea what this is. Nothing? Okay. That's nothing as well. Okay. See if we missed anything? No. Just some space to fix some more things. And of course, and that's the last item we have here, the actual glasses. Hope you can see this. So we have 4 lenses, 1 lens, 2 lenses, 3, and number 4. All of them film in 1920 by 1080, yeah, and it stitches to 4K. I'll try to see what it stitches to in Video Stitch, so what the actual resolution will be, and I will try to create a stitching template. Hope, yeah, if there's anyone out there using ORBI Prime, they can actually use it the way they want to, because I saw some stitching samples and they weren't great. But yeah, we'll see. So there's some buttons down here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a as we can turn it on. So you put the micro SD card and we can charge it. You can switch between photo and video. You can turn on Wi-Fi. And I guess you can change some other settings here. Yeah, cool. I'm excited. I want to see what this can do. I don't have the highest expectations because 4K video really isn't that much, and 4 times 1080p is not real 4K if it's stitched, but let's see what this can do. But that's it for this unboxing. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick unboxing. I don't want to go into too much detail. Yeah, I hope to post some updates about what it actually can do. And that's it for now. Yeah, that's it.